Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can earn $275 in 14 minutes. Before we go any further, do make sure that you subscribe though. Let's get into this video. With this, you may earn anywhere from $100 to $300. And before you know it, you'll be making money online like a boss. It'll take you less than 5 minutes to set this up. This will take up very little of your time. We also don't have to pay any money because this is completely free. Apart from that, we may make hundreds of dollars by doing so. This is a brand new technique that is completely beginner friendly. So even if you have no prior experience or capabilities, you can certainly do this and earn hundreds of dollars. Go to this website, CPA Lead. CPA Lead is a PPC advertising network that provides CPA lead generation offers to Android and iOS mobile apps, content lockers, websites, and media buyers through the web and mobile. Publishers are encouraged to monetize their website and desktop visitors using our banner, native advertising, interstitial, pop-under, pop-up, content locking, and other specialty solutions. This one has been really popular, and maybe some of you may have heard about this. This website is used by many people and businesses all around the world, and the best part is that you may make money every day. The payout every day. The best thing about this website is that it does not sell anything. We'll teach you how to obtain a lot of leads for free without selling anything at all, and how to make a lot of money online. We must sign up for this just like any other website, and to do so, go to the upper right hand corner of your screen and click the green sign up button. Okay, if you scroll up on this page, you'll notice that they offer a $1 minimum daily payment and daily and weekly payment choices, so you can select whether you want it daily or weekly. This is excellent, especially when combined with a passive income strategy. If you're unaware of this fact, CPA stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition. This is an online marketing approach that lets a business pay for a specific action taken by a target client. As a result, you are paid per click for each action. For example, if someone registers on the website or enters their email address, you'll get paid. As a result, our target audience or targeted folks do not need to buy anything. In fact, they do not need to buy anything at all. They have a large number of items. They have a long list of things, but you don't have to worry about any of them. After you sign up, log into your account and you'll be sent a dashboard page. You can see the dashboard on the left-hand side, which gives statistics lockers landing pages. You'll be redirected to a website if you click on offers right now, and then you'll need to pick a country. If we click on this, we can see that virtually every country in the world is covered. The next part is important. I want you to double check that you've clicked on all the nations, and then we'll look for an offer that you believe or know will get individuals to click on or sign up for. Scroll down to find something intriguing, such as a handful of Monster Master quizzes or a solitaire condiment quiz. If you look to the right, you'll see that you'll get paid every time someone clicks on your link and completes the activity, or the action required to win an iPhone 12 or to be eligible for a chance to win an iPhone 12. This is only 29 cents, but there are other deals for around $1, and some even go up to $4. You may search for anything if you scroll down to the bottom of the page. You may select whatever you want, including gift cards, because people will click on things like free gift cards or a chance to win a certain amount of gift cards on this specific online shop or business. You can find all the specifics about the offer. The payout is determined by the kind of payment, the status, and the country. There are many various offers available all around the world or in your nation, and if you want to narrow it down only to your country, go back to the country list and choose your country. This is the action you must take in order to get 29. So in order for you to earn this amount, they must enter the PIN. If you scroll down below, you'll notice that some of the offers are limited, and these are the targeting rules that only share with individuals from a specific country. All devices were targeted, so people could do it on their phone, laptop, or tablet. That's all there is to it. They must enter their PIN in order for you to gain money. So we'll duplicate this link, and anytime someone clicks on it, the CPA will take them to an offer where they can obtain an offer. You'll still get money whether they win or lose, as long as they take action. But where are we going to get the traffic? So the next thing I want you to do is go to this website, interact.com, and test it out. Try interact.com once more. What we'll have to do is create our own quiz for free, and this will be where we'll generate traffic from. Now click on the Create Your Own Quiz for Free link, and you'll be sent to a page where you must sign up. This is really simple, and I'm sure you already know how to do it. Let's go on to the next section. So you'll be routed to a page when you log in. I want you to go to the bottom the left side and click on Start from Scratch. So click that, and you'll be sent to a screen where you can choose what kind of quiz you want to make. I want you to click on Assessment, and then you'll be brought to this website where we have a cover, and then we have an untitled quiz, which I want you to fill out with anything like answer this and you'll be entered to win an iPhone 12 or any other offer. Add an image next, because we humans are visualizers, and we're more likely to click on anything if it has an appealing image or something that we'll be drawn to. After we get the photo, we'll add a caption and a quick description of what these people are about to get themselves into. You're going to handle everything from the title to the description, and you can see a call to action down below. Write something along the lines of, click here to access the quiz. Then input your CPA lead affiliate link, which will take them to the offer. Now add a question. Ask them something really basic or something really easy. Click on Publish. After that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can see your link to your quiz, and all you have to do is copy that, and now we're ready to share it on social media around the internet. So after they answer the quiz, then they'll be redirected to the link where they can win an offer. Now for our next step, you need to go to a social media platform where you can promote this, and let's go to Facebook, because there are millions of people who are online on Facebook every single day. So when you're on Facebook, search for an item that you offer to people, like for example gift certificates. You can search for sweepstakes or free giveaways or something like that. And the next thing you'll have to do is join these groups, and once you're in, you need to post your quiz. It's that easy, and you can do it on other platforms besides Facebook. You may also share this with your friends, and before you know it, a large number of people will click on your link and complete the offer or activity. Then you'll make money, because that's how we're going to make money using this approach, and that's all there is to it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and if you want to show your support for the channel, all you have to do right now is take 2 seconds and press that thumbs up button.